going to do a rotation now, actually with two different transformations. We're going to take this red rectangle here, ABCD, and the first thing we're going to do is rotate the rectangle 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So taking it here and turning it here, and then we're going to reflect that over the y-axis. So we will start. This one's already graphed. Here are the ordered pairs. Now, since I said clockwise in this video, and the videos that we had before, I was talking about counterclockwise. I went ahead and wrote down the clockwise rotation rules. And we're going to be doing this one right here, 90 degrees clockwise. The y will move, the xy, the y will move to the front, and then the x will move to the back and change signs. And I wrote it right here. So rotate 90 degrees. For my a, which is here, the -3 means that the y is going to move to the front, and this 3 will move to the back and change signs, become +3. That would be -3, 1, 2, 3, +3, 1, 2, 3. For B, 1, -3, the -3 will come to the front. This 1 will go to the back and change signs. So that will be -3, -1. There's my B prime. For C, it was -5, 1, so the -5 goes to the front, the 1 goes to the back and changes signs. So that's -5, -1. There's my C prime. And then for my D, my 3, -5, the -5 will go to the front, and the 3 will change signs. Let's see, I think, let me go back and check. I believe that was a -3 to begin with. Yes, it was. So the -5 goes to the front, and the -3 goes to the back and changes signs. And so that would be -5, +3. So here was the second one. Now let's look at taking the blue one and reflecting over this y-axis. Reflected over the y-axis. I'm going to take A, and I'm just going to count it instead. You can do it algebraically, or you can do it by counting. I'm going to go ahead and count it to show you this way, and then I'll come back and do this way. So if I'm flipping over the y-axis, reflecting over that, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to get to it, 1, 2, 3 to get to the other side, and that will be A, and we'll call that double prime since it's the second thing that happened to it. This D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will call that D double prime. And then B is 1, 2, 3 away from the axis, so 1, 2, 3. That will be B double prime. And C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side will give me my C double prime. And then we'll connect those points, and we'll see that it's the same as the original. Now I'm going to go back here and remind you that if you're reflecting over the y-axis, the y stays the same and the x changes signs. Whatever they ask you to flip over is the one that stays the same. Keep that in mind. So I'm looking at the blue numbers here, and if my x is changing signs and my y is staying the same, that will simply become 3, 3. Well, let's look and see if A double prime was at 3, 3. There's 3, there's 3. Yes, it was. For B double prime, a -3, -1 means the -3 becomes +3, and the -1 stays the same. For B double prime, let's see, 1, 2, 3, down 1. That is correct. For C double prime, the -5 becomes +5, and the -1 stays the same. So that's right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 1, and there it is. And then for the last one, the -5 becomes +5, because we want to change the x's sign, and then the 3 stays the same. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Of course, you don't have to do both ways. You can do either or way, but I wanted to go ahead and show you both of those ways.